I'm going to teach you how to create your own formulas, essentially by defining them using the define feature. So I've got this table. It contains the cost, price, and the number of some products. And we are going to work out the gain of these products. So normally we just do equals the price minus the cost, and then times the number, times, and then we drag the formula to get all the gain of the products. So, and we want to define this formula. Then let's go over here, insert name. Let's choose here. We can just define the formula name again. B2 minus A2, and then times C2. Click OK. We can see the formula here. The sheet will be automatically added, and which is very important. Here is going to refer to the absolute and the relative reference comes, and because we are going to start using some relative referencing, and we are also going to reference it multiple regions linked together in a different way. So that's what we want to do. You'll notice here that it automatically added the sheet tabs on for us, which is quite useful. So make sure we don't have any percent size because we want them to be relative references, and then click OK. We can say what we can do here, make clear here, and equals gain, and enter. So that's the exactly answer we want. So you can notice in these ones, because we didn't put the dollar signs in, so this made the dynamic. So if we got insert name define, yes, we can say because we are now in this file has changed the reference, so it grants B5, A5, and C5. If we do the same, name define, it becomes 6. So it is important to remember that if you feel not using the dollar sign, then the definition is not going to record it as actual what you type in. It's gonna record it as a relative reference to where you've selected. So when I'm selecting here, and put in A2, we're not really meaning A2. What you think to me is to define that is 1, 2, 3, 3 to the left and in the same right of this. So that is how relative reference works, and it takes a little while to get used to it. You can of course put the dollar sign in it if something you want reference consistently across the entire worksheet. So if I want to put maximum gain here, maximum gain. Also, we can define the maximum gain here. Which then if we want to, we can just add one more formula. For example, we name it as quality. Can just eighth gain is larger than maximum gain. Then we got good for this product. Otherwise, it got normal. Yeah, that's it. And click OK. Then we can see the answer is quality. And drag formula. We can see here the answer we get is not right. That is because we can see the relative reference of the gain changes here. It changes to C2, B2, and D2. That is not what we want. So we have to change it back and add $signs to it. It should be like $B2, $A2, and $C2. So that's what I got for the define features, and thank you for watching my video.